Welcome to See Feel Success. Today, we're diving into the profound realm of the Crown Chakra. This chakra is your gateway to higher consciousness and spiritual connection. If you're ready to explore the depths of divine wisdom and elevate your spiritual awareness, stay tuned as we delve into everything you need to know about the Crown Chakra. The Crown Chakra, or Sahasrara, is the seventh and final chakra in our energy system, located at the top of the head. It's associated with a color violet or white and governs our connection to higher consciousness, spiritual enlightenment, and divine wisdom. This chakra represents our highest state of awareness and spiritual connection. When balanced, the Crown Chakra enables us to experience a sense of unity with the universe, access higher wisdom, and feel a deep sense of purpose. When it's blocked or unbalanced, we might feel disconnected from our spiritual self, experience confusion about our life's purpose, or struggle with feelings of isolation. Recognizing the signs of a blocked Crown Chakra is crucial for achieving spiritual clarity and connection. Here are some common indicators: spiritual disconnection. You may feel a lack of connection to a higher power or purpose. There might be a sense of disconnection from your spiritual beliefs or practices. Lack of purpose. You might experience confusion about your life's direction or feel a lack of fulfillment or meaning in your activities. Mental fog. Persistent confusion, difficulty concentrating, or a sense of mental cloudiness can indicate an imbalance in the Crown Chakra. Isolation. Feelings of loneliness, alienation, or a sense of being cut off from others can be signs of a blocked Crown Chakra. Being aware of these signs can help you take proactive steps to heal and balance your Crown Chakra. Now that we've identified the signs of a blocked Crown Chakra, let's explore several natural methods to help balance and energize this vital center. Meditation for spiritual connection. Meditation is a powerful way to connect with and balance the Crown Chakra. Find a quiet, comfortable space and sit with your spine straight. Focus your attention on the top of your head. Visualize a bright violet or white light radiating from this area, expanding outward. As you breathe deeply, imagine this light connecting you with higher consciousness and divine wisdom. Mindfulness practices. Practicing mindfulness can help you stay present and connected to your spiritual self. Engage in activities that encourage awareness and presence, such as mindful walking, eating, or simply observing your surroundings. These practices help ground you and enhance your connection with your higher self. Affirmations. Positive affirmations can reinforce a balanced Crown Chakra. Repeat statements like, "I am connected to the divine. I embrace the wisdom of the universe. I am open to receiving spiritual guidance." Incorporate these affirmations into your daily routine to support spiritual alignment and higher awareness. Use of crystals. Crystals can aid in balancing the Crown Chakra. Amethyst, clear quartz, and selenite are particularly beneficial. Place these crystals on the top of your head during meditation or carry them with you. Their energies can help amplify your spiritual connection and promote clarity. Spiritual reading and study. Engaging with spiritual texts, teachings, or philosophies can help open and balance the Crown Chakra. Explore books, articles, or lectures on spirituality, higher consciousness, or divine wisdom. This intellectual engagement supports your spiritual growth and understanding. Connection with nature. Spending time in nature can enhance your spiritual connection and balance the Crown Chakra. Nature's beauty and serenity help you feel more grounded and connected to the universe. Take a walk in the woods, sit by a body of water, or simply observe the natural world around you. Energy healing. Techniques such as Reiki or energy healing can help clear blockages and balance the Crown Chakra. Consider working with a practitioner who specializes in energy healing to support your spiritual alignment and overall well-being. Let's delve deeper into Crown Chakra meditation. This practice is a powerful way to connect with divine wisdom and enhance your spiritual awareness. Setting up your space. Create a serene and uplifting environment for your meditation. Choose a quiet space where you can sit comfortably and undisturbed. You might want to use violet or white decor, light a candle, or play gentle, ethereal music to enhance the atmosphere. Step-by-step guide. Begin with relaxation. Sit comfortably with your spine straight and your hands resting on your lap or gently on your knees. Close your eyes and take several deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Allow your body to relax and release any tension with each breath. Focus on your crown center. Bring your attention to the top of your head. Visualize a radiant violet or white light glowing at this point. Feel this light expanding with each breath, filling your entire being with a sense of calm and connection. Visualize spiritual connection. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine the violet or white light growing brighter and more expansive. Visualize this light connecting you with higher consciousness, divine wisdom, and the universal energy. Feel a sense of unity and interconnectedness with all that is. Use affirmations. Silently repeat affirmations that resonate with the crown chakra. You might say, I am connected to the divine energy of the universe. I am open to receiving higher wisdom and guidance. My spiritual connection is strong and vibrant. Let these affirmations support your meditation and reinforce your connection to divine consciousness. Experience the energy. Take a moment to fully experience the energy of the violet or white light. Feel it enhancing your spiritual awareness and connecting you with the greater whole. Allow yourself to receive any insights or messages that come through during your meditation. Gradual return. When you feel ready to conclude your meditation, slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch your body, and open your eyes. Sit quietly for a few moments, reflecting on the sensations and insights you experienced during your meditation. Incorporating meditation into daily life. To fully benefit from crown chakra meditation, practice it regularly. Even a few minutes a day can help deepen your spiritual connection and enhance your sense of divine wisdom. Over time, you'll find that your spiritual awareness and understanding become clearer and more profound. Did you know that the foods you eat can also influence your chakras? To support your crown chakra, incorporate foods that promote spiritual clarity and overall well-being. These include purple foods. Foods like grapes, eggplant, and purple cabbage are rich in antioxidants and support brain health and spiritual awareness. White foods. Foods such as cauliflower, garlic, and coconut can aid in detoxification and promote a sense of purity and clarity. Herbal teas. Teas like chamomile and lotus can help calm the mind and support spiritual practices. These foods not only support your physical health but also align with the energetic vibrations of the crown chakra. Thank you for joining me today on Feel Success, as we explored the transformative energy of the crown chakra. Remember, connecting with higher consciousness and divine wisdom is a journey. Be patient with yourself as you practice these techniques. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more holistic content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Until next time, embrace the divine within and let your spiritual light shine.